Hello, everybody. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Homeopathy Super Sessions by Dr. Jagos. Today, we will do the second part of short history of Hahnemann's life and contributions. So, as I told you last time, there's a new announcement. If you're a student of homeopathy, please go on the Homeo ED app. It's a free app available on the Play Store, Google Play Store. Download it, and it will be useful for your examination also. So in this part, let us see what are the contributions towards homeopathy. Dr. Hahnemann was the founder of homeopathy. He propounded the fundamental principles of the science and art of homeopathy. He established the law of cure known as similia similibus curent. He discovered the method of preparing potentized remedies. By potentization, the inert and insoluble substances become soluble in alcohol or water and get charged with the medicinal force. So, by potentization, whatever substances are inert or they're totally useless or they are insoluble, they become soluble in water and alcohol, and the inert substances, their inert power is exhibited and in the form of a charged medicinal force. He was called the father of experimental pharmacology, as he was the first physician to prepare medicines in a special way and prove these medicines on healthy human beings. So the special way was by succussion and trituration. And actually, he was the only fellow or the only person to prove the drugs on a healthy human beings, unlike the allopathy where they prove the drug on the lower animals. He discovered the primary and secondary action of the remedies. He discovered different nature of acute and chronic diseases. He discovered the three great miasms of sora, syphilis, and psychosis. And he was the first to recognize the ill effects of unhygienic conditions as contributory cause to the spread of the disease. So not only Hahnemann was a physician, but also he was a preserver of health, because he recognized what were the effects of the unhygienic conditions in order to spread the disease. He realized the importance of nursing, diet, bed rest, warmth and isolation of patients during epidemic diseases. And Dr. Hahnemann discovered the principal precursor of bacteriology known as the noxious or the noxious agent. And he introduced the 50 millisiemens scale of potencies. Just one more point out here. The three great miasms which Hahnemann discovered were sora, syphilis, and psychosis. Please remember, the tubercular miasm wasn't discovered by Hahnemann, but it was discovered by Dr. J.H. Allen. He also discovered indisposition, that is slight ailments, episode number 7, footnote number 3. So an indisposition has to be distinguished from a true chronic disease. So the main distinguishing factors are that in indisposition, the cause lies external, whereas in a true chronic disease, the cause lies internal in the form of the miasm. If you remove the external cause, the indisposition subsides. However, if you remove the external cause in a true chronic disease, the disease doesn't subside. So this is the main importance to it. Idiosyncrasy, episode number 1117, one-sided disease, episode number 173 to 230. Investigation of epidemic disease, after 100 to 104, auxiliary modes of treatment 288 to 291. The doctrine of vital force or vital dynamics and spiritual nature of sickness and medicinal energy were introduced by him. So as you all know, the vital force or vital dynamics was introduced by Dr. Hahnemann. He revised organon principle of homeopathy 6 times to make it perfect. He published Materia Medica Pura. One of his masterpieces was The Chronic Disease, Their Peculiar Nature, and The Homeopathic Cure, which were there in 2 volumes. Thus, he became so famous that physicians from all parts of Europe, America, came to him for coaching in the new science and in the art of healing. So that's all. This is a very short video. Next part, I will be telling you more contributions to it. So please stay tuned for more. Thank you very much.